Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews as well as Quirk Auto Dealers. Today we have the 2020 Volkswagen Jetta SEL in quite a cool spec. This thing looks absolutely awesome. There we go. It's a 2020 8-speed automatic, 27074. Not bad at all. So this is pure white over dark beige leatherette. And once I pull the car out into the sunlight, you'll see just how nice that color looks. In here you can see the red accent lighting, which is pretty cool. I think it does change with the modes. Eco, you have blue, normal like a gray, silver, and sport is red. The gauge cluster also does change color too. So you have blue, blue again, and red with sport. Great amount of rear seat room. You do have heated seats, and it is extremely easy to get in and out. Trunk space is great. I really don't like opening the trunk with these plates, but I'll show it anyway. I mean, look at that. That's awesome. Especially for the segment. Really nice interior. I mean, just look at this spec. Pretty cool. Without further ado, in sport mode, it automatically defaults to putting the transmission in sport. But yeah, this is a really nice car. Especially for under 30 grand, it's pretty impressive. I'm a huge fan of this car, honestly. It is really good. Get up to 35. To 60. Plenty of passing power. I wouldn't need anything more. I mean, it's just really cool in here. Really luxurious. All the materials are soft touch. You do have a manual mode, So we'll go ahead and try here. No paddles behind the wheel like the GLI, but you got up and down, upshift to upshift, down to downshift. Does auto upshift for you. Let's see how it handles. Not bad at all. Brake pedal feel is really, really good. It's a very progressive pedal. It's not wicked bitey right at the top, but as you start to bury it a bit more, it builds pressure really, really quick. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.